ABB PLC ladder programming have timer instruction, which delayed output to on or off. TON is on delay timer, TOF is off delay timer, and TP is pulse timer. Timer instruction declared with timer variable. Input PT of timer is a preset value, which are declared with letter T and a number sign hashtag, example T hashtag 10s, and an output of timer is elapsed time of timer. Input and output of timer is time data type. Timer is very important instruction for PLC programming. Each timer run only for preset value. If preset value PT is reached or elapsed, then timer coil activated. TON is on delay timer instruction in ABB PLC. On delay timer delayed output to turn on when input variable of timer is changed from off to on or false to true. Each timer function block is defined by name when TON function block is declared define timer name. In this example, TON_0 is a timer function instance name. Input of timer is associated with normally open coil timer_input, and T hashtag 10s is preset value of timer, and elapsed_time is output of timer. When timer input is changed from false to true or turn on, then timer start, and when timer elapsed time reached to preset value, then timer output Q is turned on. Each change of input timer turned on operation of timer. After making program, build your project, and then start simulation. Make sure simulation in run mode when timer input is set to true, then timer start increment elapsed time value until to reach preset value. Once preset value is equal to timer elapsed time, timer coil output is set to true. A time constant is always made up of an initial T or time spelled out, and a number sign hashtag. This followed by the actual time declaration, which can include days identified by D, hours identified by H, minutes identified by M, seconds identified by S, and milliseconds identified by MS. Next timer is of delay timer instruction for ABB PLC. TOF is off delay timer in ABB Automation Builder. Input and output of off delay timer is same as on delay timer. Off delay timer operation start when input of TOF changed from true to false or on to off. Off delay timer off output of timer when elapsed timer is equal to preset value. When input of off delay timer is turned on, output is set to true and elapsed time remains 0. When input of off delay timer changed from on to off, then timer start and elapsed time start increment. When elapsed timer reached to preset value, timer output is set to off and timer operation stop. Next timer is pulse timer. TP is a pulse timer instruction in ABB PLC. TP generate pulsed only for specific time period. Time period for pulse is declared by preset time PT as input. Output of TP instruction is ET and Q. When input IN is changed from off to on, then TP instruction start generating pulse, and output Q is activated only for preset time. When elapsed time equal to preset time, then output Q is turned off. If elapsed time less than preset time, then output Q is on. Above is the example of TP pulse timer instruction for ABB PLC. In this example, output_timer is turned only specific interval. Preset is specific interval. In example, preset time is 10 second. When input of timer is changed from off to on, then pulse timer start increment elapsed time value and output is turned on. When elapsed time is equal to or greater than preset time, then output of pulse timer is turned off.